Hi guys, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, and for today I want to share with you one of my fall slabs. I love the colors of fall, and for this slab, I'm using a navy blue mixed with some glitters, a mustard yellow color, and orange with glitters as well. I'm also using an assortment of flower and leaf cutters, a tissue blade, and a detail needle. So first, I roll out my orange slab into the number 6 setting on my roller. I'm going to make pumpkins. Unfortunately, I don't have a small pumpkin cutter, and so I improvised by using this owl cutter and a flower cutter. I love combining cutters to create different shapes. Next, I'm making a yellow gourd. I flatten my mustard yellow into the number 6 setting and use another odd-shaped cutter. I still can't figure out what this is, but my best guess is that it looks like cotton candy on a stick. I cut off the pointy end and then I use another cutter to put grooves around the gourd. I make a couple of these pumpkin and gourds and set them aside. For the main slab, I'm going to use the navy blue clay and roll it out into the number 4 setting. To get this color, I actually mixed Primo accents in black with Primo turquoise blue. I neatened out the edges to see my workspace. Then, I rolled out light blue clay into the number 6 setting. I get my leaf cutter and cut a couple of leaves. I stick the elements one by one, starting with the leaves. I use my detail needle and clay blade to put the veins on the leaf. Then, I place the pumpkins and then I use another cutter to put the grooves on the pumpkin. I press the cutter very lightly because I don't want to tear through the pumpkin. Then, I add leaves on each side of the pumpkin. You can use a tear-shaped plate on your extruder to make the leaves. Or if you don't have an extruder, you can also roll a log and pinch one end. Put 2 leaves on each pumpkin. Get the light blue clay again and roll it out into the number 6 setting. Punch small flowers. Place the flower on top of the pumpkin. Then, texture the flower with a clay blade or a detail needle. Finally, roll a small ball of yellow clay and put it on the center of the flower. Texture the center with the detail needle. Next to the pumpkin, I put the gourd. I also placed a leaf on the gourd and textured the leaf. Basically, you will alternate these three shapes across the slab. I wasn't able to capture it on video. I also placed a small flower on each of the yellow gourds. And there you have it, a simple fall-inspired slab. Up close, you will see the effect of the glitter on the slab, which I really loved. You can also make your own pumpkin earrings. Just roll out the orange slab into the number 4 or number 3 setting and follow the steps I illustrated to make the pumpkins. I hope you enjoyed watching this simple slab tutorial. If you haven't yet, do consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!